Karen Steele.
And welcome to Channel 4C News. In today's report, dry hair in the natural hair community has caused a huge nationwide outspread. Symptoms include things such as split ends, dead braid out single strand knots, and undefined curl patterns. I know from personal experience. We have Rachel Gibbert reporting live with featured guest Kimberly Jones, sharing her experience on the dry hair epidemic. To you, Kimberly.
Thank you, Karen. We have Kimberly here. Kimberly, please tell us what's going on with this dry natural hair breakout.
Well, I just went downstairs to get a cold pop. And give me this here, first of all. I just went downstairs to get a cold pop and a moisturizer. Just to find out in the mirror that I got my hair half eaten. Now, I would not stand for this natural hair injustice. I will not be doing any more reviews by Lush or anybody else. Because ain't nobody got time for that.
Don't you ever grab the mic from me again. As you can hear and see, Karen, things aren't good. Reporting back to you, Karen.
Oof. Oh, girl, where you get that wig?
But there could be some good news. Apparently there is a cure for this breakout in the form of a Bentonite clay mask. Two sisters and YouTubers, Lydia and Alma, will put this to the test. Over to you, girls.
Well, hello there.
Good
evening.
evening.
We're gonna start with the clay mask, some apple cider vinegar, aloe vera juice, and some almond oil. Also use a plastic spoon and bowl. It specifically says do not use metal for this. And then we're just gonna start scooping it in.
Drip, 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 drip.
Put some apple cider vinegar in there. You can use just apple cider vinegar, but we added some oil for moisture. And then make sure you mix that up well.
Lydia, you're so extra, man.
Oh. Yeah, aloe vera juice is great as well. It also helps with the pH balance. As you can see, Dr. 4C over here mixing it all up. Get it to a nice consistency where you feel it's gonna stay on your hair.
Cement.
So guys, just a quick side note, we did a lot of research before putting this into our hair. Especially because last time we put products that were foreign to our hair, it really messed it up. So yeah, make sure you do your own research. The main reason why we had it quite watery and added more oil and aloe vera juice is because of how drying we heard it is. And we also read 1 or 2 comments that said that this mix can thin out your hair and further damage it. So you just don't want to have a mix that's too thick or too dry. And we thought we'd rather have it watery than too thick. And I think it helped our hair. So yeah, that's the main reason why the mix is oily and has more aloe vera juice. So it's up to you what you want to try. So as you can see, our hair is like so dry and just ugh. And someone commented that we should do a mask. A bit dramatic there, Alma. Get off me.
So?
Put your hands up.
Okay. I'm in this. I ain't resisting.
Yeah, and then we're gonna start by just hydrating our hair. We're gonna spray some water, get the hair nice and wet so that it can the mask will sit on nicely. Have a snack if you need one. Yeah. And then we're gonna use a towel because this stuff gets everywhere, guys.
Yeah.
So here's our hair moist, and we're just finger detangling our hair. It's good to do this beforehand. And yeah, we're gonna start just putting the mask on.
That's what you get.
Guys, it gets everywhere, so just be careful. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Just like start towards like the top and work your way down. We don't put too much on our roots because this stuff is heavy. But this mask is known to remove like impurities and suck out a bunch of toxins, pollution, product buildup, like all kinds of stuff that gets in your hair. So yeah, look at us.
Check this out with gray hair, man.
Can't wait to have gray hair, and I also can't wait to get rid of you. Now we're gonna use a plastic bag to put over our head to keep it moist and leave it for about half an hour. I do think our mask was just a little bit too runny, but yeah, it sat on the hair nicely. And now we just wait.
What? Oh. Okay, Lydia, have some mercy, okay? okay. Just chill out, chill out, chill out.
I'll deal with you. Huh?
Please, she about to explode.
I'll deal
Oh, Lord.
with you. I'll just finish. Ugh.
Surprise!
Look at that disgusting face. So
Girl,
we
look
used
at
the
you.
rest of the mask on our face, and yeah, I think our face feels so nice. This is the mask washed out. As you can see, our hair is more defined, a bit more thicker, coilier. It feels soft. A softness we've not felt in a long time. But we added some deep conditioner on our hair. We'll do a video about this homemade one we did. But yeah, and then instead of, we didn't have any plastic caps, so we just took some cling film and wrapped it around our heads, left it for about 20 minutes and washed it out. And this is the result. Our hair is softer, it feels a lot better. And yeah, we did a braid out. You can watch our video on how we achieve our braid outs. Look in the description bar for that. And yeah, I'm really happy that we did the mask. I think it's something that we will do probably every month. So thank you to those who recommended that we do this mask.
Yes, thank you very much.
And yeah, have a great day. Make sure you follow us on social media. And yeah, let us know what else you'd recommend or something you want us to try, and we shall do it.
Cheers.
Many thanks. Bye.
Time.
Wait. TikTok TV time, what you get? Thank you, Karen. Thank you, Karen. Thank you, Karen. We have Rachel Kibbert reporting live. Quality up! Community. Blah.